Have you ever wondered why red pesto is different from the traditional green one? Today, we're exploring the unique ingredients and flavors behind this delicious sauce. Red pesto, also known as sun-dried tomato pesto or pesto rosso, is made primarily with sun-dried tomatoes. These tomatoes are sweet and tangy, adding a unique flavor profile to the sauce. Sun-dried tomatoes are a key ingredient because they intensify flavors. The drying process concentrates sugars and acids, making them sweeter and tangier compared to fresh tomatoes. Besides sun-dried tomatoes, walnuts are often added for a punchy texture. This combination creates a sweet and garlicky sauce that complements pasta dishes perfectly. Sun-dried tomatoes have been popular in southern Italy for centuries, where they are often used in various regional recipes. This ingredient gives red pesto its distinctive Italian flavor. Red pesto is not only versatile, but also nutritious, containing antioxidants and essential fatty acids from the walnuts. It can be used in pasta dishes from the walnuts. It can be used in pasta dishes, salads, sandwiches, or even as a dip. In summary, sun-dried tomatoes are crucial for red pesto because they provide the unique, sweet, and tangy flavors that make this sauce so popular. Enjoy experimenting with different recipes. Which dish do you think would be best paired with red pesto? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it informative.